Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, July 3rd, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Today was a short session ahead of the Independence Day holiday tomorrow. As a result, the stocks were closed 3.5 hours early. It was not only short, but very thinly traded. I didn't expect much of today, and I didn't get much. We had kind of a crappy day. The problems that we're having, of course, particularly last 3 days or so. I'm looking at this probably 4 days. Yeah, we have. Well, I'm looking at it says 5 days. Let's go all the way back here. You see here we get the Dow opening very positive here, and then selling off and going negative before the end of the day. Then the next day we get follow through on that negative action with it being negative, and then it goes positive by the end of the day, and then the next day it gaps up but then fails and goes negative, and then yesterday it opens down but then goes positive by the end of the day. It gaps up this morning, going positive, and then goes negative by the end of the day. So this um, roller coaster seesaw market is very difficult for us to trade. Generally speaking, we need at least 2 days with the markets going in the same direction to realize profits, and when they alternate every other day with doing something different, it makes trading very difficult for us. Actually, we haven't been just torn to shreds in this environment, and I guess I'll be happy with that. But anyway, we only had two positions coming into today, but this higher open today damaged one of those stocks severely. I will show that to you in a second. And then with the sell-off, we only got into two positions, and both of those are negative, but we are only carrying negative $414 over the holiday, so that's not too bad. The problem was closing out those two positions, one which was an inverse position on the overall market in TVIX. I will show you that in a second, but that cost us $5,800. So that resulted in us losing $5,000 in our closed out trades. Stocks officially, after opening higher this morning on the open, they officially closed down 132 points. So, yeah, a difficult day to trade and a pretty crappy day for us. I will show you, I have absolutely nothing positive to show you. I will show you this TVIX trade to just show you how difficult that this stock is in our portfolio because it's a hedge against a major sell-off. If we get into a major sell-off, this single stock could keep us from getting buried. But it does exceptionally bad in the seesaw type environment. And yesterday we had that gap down in the Dow, which causes a gap up in TVIX, so we bought it right away. And then stocks rallied all day, so TVIX goes down. Then stocks open higher this morning. That causes a little gap down here, and we are then stopped out of TVIX with a negative about $5,700. And then after we get out, of course, stocks plunge some more. TVIX goes up, but we're already out of it, so we don't get any advantage to this rally in TVIX. So it really just sucks all around. But that's trading. But it really, this has been a disappointing stock for us the last week at least. Anyway, that's pretty much how it went. You guys have a fantastic Independence holiday, and I will be back here online Thursday morning.